AI is such a powerful tool and can be used to create serious wealth in the markets. Well, today I am going to show you how to do just that with this impressive AI indicator that no one is talking about. Well, sit back, relax and enjoy the video. Let's get straight into it, and thank you to TraderEdge for today's video. To begin with, I am just going to show you the first indicator of this AI strategy. To keep it simple, it is this green and red line here. You can see here from this example, we could have made a very profitable trade on this indicator's confirmation just from the color change of the line alone. So let's see what exactly this indicator is, why it's so good, and also what it needs improving. But first we need to know what to correctly backtest the results with, and for that we will use TraderEdge. TraderEdge is a website that allows you to track your trades, backtest strategies, calculate position sizes, and so much more. Thousands of traders are using TraderEdge to get an edge on the competition. The backtester section allows you to easily track backtesting progress, and it provides a ton of important data. I use this to backtest all of the strategies shared on the channel. TraderEdge also provides indicators and strategies that you can start using today to become a profitable trader. On top of all this, TraderEdge is also giving you a step-by-step guide on backtesting worth $100. You'll also receive a full course on how to build a profitable, mechanical trading strategy which has a value of $240. Now they'll even throw in 4 pre-made, high-quality strategies that are worth $100 alone. That's $470 worth of bonuses absolutely free. And they offer a 7-day free trial, so you can try it out today completely risk-free. Make sure you click the link in the description to claim your bonuses now. Okay, so it's time to add the first indicator for this strategy. Click on Indicators at the top. We will be searching for the AI Moving Average Expo. Add this one to your chart. This is what it will look like when you add it. Let's double-click and change some settings to improve the AI. You will want to first untick the second moving average box, and then change the smooth moving average value from 50 to 100. This will provide us with a clear visual on actual market structure on a much longer term. If you want to, you can also add the sessions indicator to your chart for a nice visual aid. I have found trading during the New York and Sydney sessions to provide the best value, but this will depend on where you live. Trading should be a tool for wealth, not an inconvenience. Now we do have one powerful indicator left to add that you may have heard of, but first let's check out a trade so you understand how the AI strategy allows us to take trades. This right here is a color flip, meaning the color has changed to indicate a change in market direction, according to AI. But because this is before the needed trading sessions, we will be ignoring confirmation 1 when it's outside the blue and red visual area. So for a buy, first price must be inside the correct session, second we'll need to wait for the AI line to change to green. This indicates market uptrend. We can enter a trade on the close of the candle here. And for our stop loss, we can move it to the most recent swing low. Remember that we will be adding a third indicator to our chart shortly. I have gone with the even safer swing low prior. This will give the trade more room to breathe. As you can see, the AI indicator was correct here in predicting an uptrending market, and we would have only entered the one trade during both mixed sessions. A safe way to catch huge moves is to use the AI line as a stop loss and to wait for price to close below it again where the red circle is. It is important you wait for candle close and not just candle movement. This was a 9.55 risk to reward, amazing. This here is just another example of a huge move that the AI indicator caught alone. Obviously this is just for educational purposes, but we can see this sell example was very profitable, making a plus 6.52 RR. Right then, let's add the final confirmation indicator to our charts. The indicator we will finish this strategy with is called the bull-bear power trend. In the settings, let's change the color of the trend line to yellow and make it thick. We will be focusing on this. You can see for this sell trade the bull-bear power trend also validated it with the yellow trend line being below the mid baseline here. This confirms price has downward pressure. So just to confirm this AI strategy, first we make sure we are inside the right session, next we wait for the AI line to change color, and third the bull-bear indicator must agree with the yellow trend line being above or below. Okay, so now it's time to show the results. Please hit that subscribe button if you want to make money by the end of 2023. So here we are, the results for this strategy, and as we can see this is very profitable. One may argue the win rate being so low is a disadvantage, but the risk-to-reward ratios on a lot of the winning trades really puts this strategy up there. This netted the account a 655.22% profit overall, which is amazing. But if you are looking for a strategy with a higher win rate, then check out one of these videos here. But my name is Mo, and thank you for enjoying the video.